is a maze. Life is a face. Life is so full of craze. This life, I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. Being nice, driver wraith, with the mode, but for your driver way.
All this time spent on the range, have you wondered what you're training for? Is it really gonna benefit you in a video game or in real life? Are you covering all corners and all aspects of what could happen if shit really hit the fan? Well, check this out.
Drop the weapon! Drop the weapon!
Down.
Get on your shoulders now! Get on your shoulders!
If that didn't touch your core, I don't know what will. What would you do if you're in that position? This happens quite often. The question is, do you know what to do if your gun malfunctions? We're going to cover 3 aspects, 2 common types of malfunctions for semi-automatics, and 1 special malfunction for not only an AR-15, but a California compliant AR-15. You're not going to want to miss this. Stay tuned. So we're going to mimic the first most common type of misfire or malfunction. You experience this on the range sometimes. Hopefully not in real life, but just like the officer, you want to make sure that if this does happen, you're best prepared how to deal with it. This is not live ammunition. This is a snap cap. All right, it doesn't contain any powder, no bullet, it's the same dimension. So let's get on with this. I'll put a link down in the description below for you to see where you can purchase these. Usually any place that sells ammunition usually has snap caps, AKA fake ammo. So utilizing firearm is free and clear, except for surprise stovetop time. So this is how you would clear a stovetop. All right, malfunction. This is really pretty fucked up. So let's see how we can fix this. Smacking the bottom of the firearm. Make sure you get focused here. Won't do anything. You're gonna have to take that out here. But notice when you do clear this firearm like this, there's still bullets. One was loaded inside the chamber. Get the magazine release. There we go. We're good. Second thing I want to do is do a double feed. As you can see from the firearm, double feed, 2 bullets trying to enter at the same time. Usually when you hit the magazine, the bottom magazine well, it will work, but this does not. Then you want to clear the slot. Make sure your hands are free and clear of the bottom of the slot. That doesn't work. You want to press magazine release. And that will solve that issue right there. Now we're moving on to the big boy, Nat Turner. AR-15. These are 5.56 rounds. Snap cap. Snap cap. Once again, this is not live ammunition. Once again, link will be in the description below where you can find it. Whatever you can sell or purchase ammunition, you should be able to purchase snap caps. It's probably best to go online as these can get quite pricey. So stay tuned. So let's try to simulate a double feed. And not only a AR-15, but this is a special right here. This is a California compliant AR-15. Comment down below and let me know how you're dealing with California compliance. Do you have the featureless or the fixed mag? I would definitely like to hear you. I could have go with that fin on the freaking handle crap. That's not my style. This is what makes it compliant in my scenario. Let me get this safely around here. 1 second. All right, so this right here, as you can see, is a fixed mag. On the other side, you have the magazine release, but it doesn't work. Let me show you. When you press the magazine release, it doesn't decompress, and the magazine's still in there. Can you see it's like trying to release, but it won't go all the way through. It won't clear it. So the malfunctions with these type of rifles, in this fashion, you can go with featureless where you can drop the mag, but this is why a lot of people do not want to go this route with the fixed mag, because this is why. So let's simulate a double feed here. Let me get this thing going. There we go. Double feed here. Yeah, once again, 2 rounds trying to enter the chamber. So you can't drop the mag. It won't happen. So what I do is I keep in my grip here and some microfiber cloth, an Allen wrench. Let me get that out of here. Put up to the side. Have an Allen wrench. What I'll have to do is decompress this little button here on the magazine, the bottom of it, and it slides right off. But I want you to hold on to this spring here. It's under tension. It comes right off. Now, usually in your state, if you live in a free state, this will just come right out. However, remember, California compliant. You have, where is it at? This little annoying motherfucker right here. This keeps it at a 10 max magazine. So this is called a 10 by 30. It looks like a 30, but it's only 10 rounds. So this will relieve the pressure up top. You know, this will relieve the pressure from up top in the chamber, where you can pull back on your bolt, shake it a little bit, and it'll fall right down. Usually it'll fall out, and then you can see it's clear. Before you do this, we'll make sure you're on safety. Let me put this around here. Make sure this is safe right here, okay? So after that, that's when I can decompress the breakdown pin, separate the upper and lower receiver. Hold on. And drop it down. Put it back together. And we're good. Free and clear. And this is a closer look at the snap cap 5.56 configuration and the 9mm. Very important to have this. Practice makes perfect, people. It can save your fucking life.
Yeah, I know this can be frustrating. However, these are things we have to make a part of our daily routine. Make sure that we are repetitive and trying to combat these malfunctions so that when shit really hits the fan, we can attack it head on, overcome it, and stay on target. If you're new to my channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And everybody, I want you to let me know, how have you coped with your malfunctions? Have you made this a part of your daily routine? Because like I said, and like we all know, practice, practice, practice. Because when your weapon malfunctions, when shit really hits the fan, you don't want to think twice. Subscribe to my channel. Ring the bell for notifications so you can stay updated with the latest and greatest of information. CitizenEdge. Edge Nation.